Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 6 from exercise 1.2 of chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. So now let us first read the question. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. A machine on an average manufactures means to produce, to make. Manufacture means to make or to produce. A machine on an average manufactures these many screws, means the machine makes these many screws in a day. So what is a screw? What does this machine makes? This machine makes screws. What is a screw? I will show you what is a screw. See, this is a screw. This is known as a screw. Are you able to see it properly? See, this is a screw. The machine makes screws. The machine manufactures these many screws in one day. Okay, how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So the machine manufactures these many screws in one day. The question is, how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? In the whole month, how many screws will the machine produce? This is the question. So let us understand one thing. Suppose in one day the machine manufactures 10 screws. Okay, so in 2 days how many screws will it manufacture? It will manufacture 20 screws, because in one day it manufactures 10. So in 2 days it will manufacture 20 screws. 20 screws. So how we found 20? We multiplied the number of screws produced in one day into for how many days we need. 2. This gives, see, the number of screws produced in one day is 10. So in 2 days the number of screws produced will be 2 into the number of screws produced in one day. In one day this many is produced. So in 2 days these many will be produced. Okay, so in 3 days how many screws will be produced? In 3 days 10 into 3 will be produced, that is 30 screws will be produced. Because in one day 10 screws, so in 3 days 10 into 3, that is 30 screws. So in 4 days 10 into 4 screws. Right, in one day 10 screws, so in 4 days 10 into 4, that is 40 screws. This is the way we find this one. So suppose in one day it produces 10 screws. So in 30 days how many screws will be produced? 30 into 10 screws, because in one day 10 screws. So in 30 days how many? 30 into 10. So what will be 30 into 10? 30 into 10 will be 300 screws. 300 screws. Right? So if in one day 10 screws, then in 31 days how many screws? In 31 days how many screws will be produced? 31 into 10 screws will be produced, because in one day 10 screws. So in 31 days 31 into 10. So 31 into 10 will be 310. So it will be 310 screws will be produced in 31 days. Okay. So you understood all these, how to find when for one day it is given, we can find for any number of days by multiplying in that one day. If we know about one day, in one day how many it is produced, so in 30 days it will be 30 into the number of screws produced in one day. So we want for 31 days, so 31 into the number of screws produced in one day. Okay, so if we know for one day, we can find for any number of days, for 60 days, for 70 days, for 80 days. Okay, for any number of days we can find. Now the second thing is, see the question, how many screws did it produce in the month of January? In the month of January, how many screws will the machine manufacture, will the machine make? So how we will find how many days are there in the month of January? In the month of January, how many days will be there? See, in January, there are 31 days. Okay, if you see the calendar, you can find it. In the month of January, always there is 31 days. In February, either it will be 28 days or 29 days. Like that, in March, it will be 31 days always. So, if you see the calendar, you can find that January always have 31 days, right? So, now we know that January has 31 days. So, what is the question? How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So, whatever the year may be, every year January has 31 days. So, what we know now? Now, we can do the solution of this question. A machine on an average manufactures these many screws in a day. In one day, the machine manufactures how many screws? 2825 screws. So, what is the question? How many screws it will produce in the month of January 2006? And January has 31 days, right? So, in one day the machine manufactures these many screws. Therefore, in 31 days, the machine will manufacture how many screws? 31 into the number of screws produced in one day. See, in 31 days the machine will manufacture 31 into the number of screws produced in one day. So 2825 screws. Okay, these many screws the machine will produce in 31 days. So we will do the multiplication. 2825 into 31. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6, 7, 3 8 is 24, 2 carry, 3 2 is 6, 7 8. Now we have to add 5, 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carry, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8. This is 87,575. This is how much? 87,575 screws. So, in one day the machine manufactures these many screws. Therefore, in 31 days the machine will manufacture 31 into these many screws. So, after multiplying we get this. So, the number of screws produced in 31 days is this one. Therefore, in the month of January 2000, in the month of January we have 31 days. It means in the month of January 2006, the number of screws produced screws produced is equal to this one, 87575 screws. So you understood, in one day the machine manufactures this, in 31 days the machine will manufacture 31 into the number of screw manufactured in one day. Okay, we have to multiply this two, we will get this one. So therefore in the month of January 2006, the number of screws produced is equal to these many screws. So the machine will manufacture these many screws in the month of January 2006. So understood? We will do question number 7 in the next class. And if you like the video, then share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. So meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.